Echoes of Robert Lee Frost. A Journey Through the Ordinary. Listen to the story carefully. Story 6. The Death of the Hired Man. I woke to the smell of frost on the barn, seeing Silas leaning on the gate, slow as winter itself. He hadn't been here in years, yet he came back, muttering about work he couldn't finish anywhere else. I fetched a blanket and coffee, listening while he talked of fields he'd plowed and barns he'd patched, memories tangled like vines. Mary fussed, scolding softly, her worry shining through eyes tired from waiting. Silas sat by the hearth, hands trembling, telling stories about jobs lost and chances missed, yet pride kept him speaking. Night crept in with its dark, steady patience, and I stayed close, watching him drift like a leaf in a gentle stream. When he finally slept, deep and quiet, I felt the weight of a life both worn and true. Outside, stars blinked like old friends, marking the end of a simple, honest day. Now listen to the poem. Frost clings to the barn and gate, Silas returns, carrying old fate. He speaks of work both lost and done, of fields, of barns, under the sun. Mary worries, soft and near, her gentle voice dispels his fear. Hands shake, yet memories persist, stories told through morning mist. Night arrives with patient dark, wrapping life in a quiet arc. Sleep claims him, heavy and deep, while stars above their vigil keep. A worn life ends, yet truth remains, simple, honest, through joys and pains.